Alright, so this is the TA55. Just got it all connected up. Tool post is it's in a parts cleaner, pretty dirty. The whole thing's pretty dirty. Hasn't been used in a while, I don't think so, but it's working. So, yeah. Not sure why it does that. If you hit it real hard and fast, it'll do that. It just needs some use. So anyway, big brother over there. So we'll see. So this is just basically another lever that operates the valve. Turret works. So on the return stroke, it moves over one stop each time. So pretty happy. I have a working lathe tracer, a tracer attachment for a lathe, and yeah. So hopefully I'll get her installed before too long after I clean everything up. She definitely needs a bath, but she's working.